Hello dear friends, please subscribe my channel, thank you. Enjoy the Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas. Wonder is the fifth ship in Royal Caribbean's renowned Oasis class. With a gross tonnage of 236,857, the ship features a total of 18 decks and 2,867 staterooms to accommodate up to 6,988 guests. Wonder of the Seas will be the first of its kind to be designed with 8 unique neighborhoods, introducing the new suite neighborhood alongside returning favorites Central Park, the open-air aquatheater, sporting a new look and where jaw-dropping, high-diving acrobatic and aquatic performances take place, Ultimate Abyss, the tallest slide at sea, and a 25-meter zip line 10 decks above the boardwalk neighborhood. Central Park, the first living park at sea, home to more than 20,000 plants, not to mention some of the fleet's most coveted specialty restaurants and high-end boutiques. Travelers can unwind in one of the many nooks tucked away in this open-air oasis during the day or drop by in the evening for live music under the stars. Boardwalk, family-friendly fun abounds on Boardwalk, a stretch at the end of the ship that is outside and always buzzing with activity. The can't-miss features and experiences include twin rock-climbing walls, a classic carousel, and deck-defying aquatheater shows. Pool and Sports Zone, it is all about the action in this neighborhood. Travelers can catch waves on the fan-favorite Flowrider, soak up rays in any one of the pools and whirlpools, soar while on the 10-deck high zip line, and brave a 10-story plunge down Ultimate Abyss. Friends, old and new, and families can also go head-to-head on the basketball or volleyball courts or tee off in a round of mini-golf. Royal Promenade, the pulsing heart of the ship, where shopping, dining, and entertainment come together. In the morning, guests can drop by for a cup of tea or coffee. As the day goes on, they can watch and dance as the signature neighborhood comes alive with pop-up musicians and performers. Entertainment Place, where world-class performers light up the stage night after night in headline shows and original productions at the Royal Theatre, breathtaking ice skating spectaculars, and more. Travelers can even choose to brave the stage themselves at Spotlight Karaoke by belting out their favorite tunes in front of a live audience. Vitality Spa and Fitness Center, here is the place to charge up the day or recharge the spirit. The dedicated Spa and Fitness Center offers a lineup of dynamic exercise classes within the full-scale gym and indulgent spa treatments designed for the ultimate relaxation. It's also home to Vitality Cafe, which serves up a menu of light and tasty fares like nutrient-rich smoothies and fresh sandwiches. Youth Zone, even the littlest explorers will find plenty of adventure just for them. Home to the award-winning Adventure Ocean Youth Program and a nursery for infants and toddlers, this colorful, action-packed area is full of innovative common spaces, educational activities, games, and other thrills. Young adults have their dedicated teen spaces too, where adults and younger kids can't cramp their style. Playscape, the all-new underwater-themed Playscape is kitted out with slides, climbing walls, games, and puzzles for all ages to explore and enjoy. Pool Deck, soak up the sun, chill in the shade, get your adrenaline fix, or grab a cocktail from the 2-story poolside bar The Lime and Coconut. For a little bit of privacy, why not upgrade and reserve one of the poolside casitas? Tallest slide at sea. Are you brave enough to take on the tallest slide at sea? For thrill seekers only, plunge 10 stories into darkness and slide your way into some serious fun. Spotlight Karaoke, this brand new venue is great for those who love to perform. Spotlight Karaoke has thousands of songs to choose from, and with a dedicated MC, you can really bring the house down with your performance. If your group are looking for a little more privacy, You can host your own show in one of the private rooms. Comedy Club, fancy a laugh? The Comedy Club has got all the jokes you need with their intimate comedy club. This adult-only venue plays hosts to guest comedians on board to keep you entertained all evening long. Dining on board. Hooked Seafood SM. If you want to snag a real taste of New England-style seafood, Hooked Seafood is the spot. Find your favorite coastal flavors, like crispy golden Maryland crab cakes, melt-in-your-mouth Maine lobster rolls, or just shucked oysters, and other raw bar favorites. El Loco Fresh. If you're craving Mexican food, hit El Loco Fresh for some true Mexican staples, including loaded nachos, savory tacos, and burritos stuffed with beef, chicken, or pork. Izumi Hibachi and Sushi. From fresh sushi to delicious teppanyaki prepared tableside, Izumi Hibachi and Sushi offers a dialed-up Asian-inspired dining experience. Savor a wide variety of hot and cold appetizers, entrees, and desserts, and watch each course come together as an expert chef works right at your table. Thank you for watching.